Okay, what we're working with for this section is we're going to learn about how you can prove triangles are congruent without having all three angles being congruent and all three sides being congruent. The first way that you can prove it is by side, 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 SSS. And what that means is if you have three sets of congruent triangles in both triangles, then the triangles have to be congruent. There's no other way that I could have triangles. If their sides are equal, then their angles have to be equal, which means they're going to have to be congruent. So side, side, side is the first way to prove that things are congruent. The second way to prove it is side, angle, side. And for this, what happens is you have two congruent sides and then the included angle. The angle that's squished in between them. That's the way that I like to tell people. It's side, angle, side. So this angle is being squished in between them. The last one you have is a specific one for right triangles, and it's called a hypotenuse leg. And this only works for right triangles. And remember, a right triangle has a right angle box in it. And hypotenuse leg is when you have a hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and then one of the legs. But it has to be a right triangle. This is angle side side, which doesn't work except for on hypotenuse leg. So the first two ways we have are side, 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 and then side, angle, side. And then hypotenuse leg is very specific. It's when you have a right triangle.